instantly soothe skin while fortifying its moisture barrier with Aveeno Calm Plus Restore Triple Oat Serum. Designed for dry, sensitive skin, this gentle facial serum from a dermatologist-recommended skincare brand helps skin look and feel healthier. The hydrating face serum absorbs quickly and leaves skin feeling soothed and hydrated after just one use. In fact, 92% of testers agreed that after applying the serum, their skin felt instantly smooth. For Triple Oat Power, use the serum formulated with Triple Oat Complex, oat flour, oat extract, and oat oil. Also formulated with feverfew, known to effectively calms irritated, dry skin while strengthening skin's moisture barrier for long-term resilience. The hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic formula is fragrance, paraben, alcohol, dye and phthalate-free. The lightweight face serum is also non-greasy and can be worn under makeup. Pros: 1. Light serum texture is suitable for all skin types. 2. Absorbs quickly without a sticky feel. 3. Contains soothing oat and feverfew extract. Cons: 1. Clear packaging means this should be stored out of direct light. 2. Formula would be more impressive with higher level of soothing ingredients. 3. Lacks barrier replenishing ingredients.